Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. My name is Siddhant and I'm currently working as a data engineer at Infosys based in Chandigarh. So about 2 years ago when I was working from home, I had some problem with my teeth. So basically one of my incisor had decayed and I have two extra canines. So in medical term they call it hyperdontia. So when my father was discussing my issues with his doctor friend, he suggested that I should visit Dr. Chandan Kumar. And now I can confidently say that it was one of the best decisions I have ever made. So before I met Dr. Chandan, I had visited multiple dentists, and almost all of them suggested me that I should get 3 of my lower front teeth removed. I was completely disheartened because I knew that only one of my tooth was in really bad condition. It felt like there was no hope left. Every dentist I visited told me that even after the extraction, the shape and the look of my teeth might never be the same again. I was completely lost hope. But then I met Dr. Chandan Kumar and everything changed. He examined my case carefully and showed me that only one tooth actually needed to be removed. He designed a long-term treatment plan using braces to naturally fill the gap and realign my teeth. He said one thing that I should keep patience and my teeth will be in the great shape again. And today, after almost 2 years of treatment, I can confidently say that he was absolutely right. The results are beyond my expectations. My teeth are now in the best condition ever, and my smile has completely transformed. I even had two extra canines, which once made my case more complicated, have been perfectly corrected. Looking back, I remember how hopeless I felt when every dentist told me that extraction was the last option. But Dr. Jandan's expertise, patience, and genuine care proved that with right guidance, anything is possible. Today, I smile with full confidence that I had almost given up on 2 years ago. So, to anyone watching this, if you have lost hope or been told by others that nothing can be done, please meet Dr. Chandan Kumar once. He changed my smile, my confidence, and the way I feel about myself. Thank you so much, Chandan sir, for giving me confidence to smile with my teeth wide open. You are truly one of the best dentists in the city, not just because of your skills, but because of the trust, patience, and the positivity you bring to your patient's life, and the way you treat your patient, the way you call your patients for the routine checkup. And thank you everyone for patiently listening to me. Keep smiling and take care of your teeth.